Imagine this, a $500 AI tool going head-to-head with software costing 100 times more, and winning. It sounds impossible, but it's happening right now. Across industries, affordable AI is shaking things up, delivering incredible results that rival, even surpass, their pricey counterparts. This isn't about cutting corners, it's about smart choices and the democratizing power of AI. For decades, big businesses have willingly shelled out massive sums for software solutions, often opting for the most expensive options on the market. This isn't just about having the latest technology, it's about making a statement. When a company invests in high-priced software, it signals to clients, partners, and even competitors that they're serious about quality, security, and staying ahead of the curve. Why do they do it? Name recognition is a huge factor. Well-known brands carry a certain prestige, and their logos are instantly recognizable in boardrooms and on project proposals. This recognition can help build trust with stakeholders and reassure clients that the business is using industry-standard tools. A familiar logo doesn't just look good, it brings a sense of security. There's an unspoken promise of reliability and quality, which can be crucial when making high-stakes business decisions. Employees feel more confident using tools they know and trust, and that confidence can translate into better performance. Another major draw is the comfort of dedicated customer support. With expensive software, businesses know they'll have access to expert help whenever issues arise. This peace of mind is invaluable, especially when downtime can mean lost revenue or missed opportunities. And let's not forget the comprehensive feature sets these products offer. Expensive software often comes packed with advanced tools, integrations, and customization options, sometimes more than any one business could ever fully utilize. But having those features available means companies can adapt quickly as their needs evolve. When you add it all up, the reputation, the support, the features, it's easy to see why the hefty price tag seems justified, especially for established companies that can't afford to take risks with their technology. Now, let's meet the disruptor. The $500 AI tool that's making waves in the tech world. For years, advanced artificial intelligence was reserved for those with deep pockets or massive corporate budgets. But this device is changing the game, bringing powerful AI capabilities to anyone willing to invest just $500. Don't let the price fool you. While it may seem affordable, this tool is anything but basic. It's designed to deliver performance that rivals much more expensive systems, making high-level AI accessible to startups, small businesses, and even individual creators. This isn't some stripped-down version or a watered-down imitation. Instead, it's a thoughtfully engineered product that packs a punch, offering features and processing power you'd expect from devices costing thousands more. This is cutting-edge technology, trained on massive datasets, capable of learning and adapting to your specific needs. Whether you're handling complex analytics, natural language